Buksan mo muna doon kasi amoy ulam. We're here at the hotel now. Nandun si Brent, nag-check-in siya. This is one of the few times that I let him do all the bookings. Siya yung nagsabi nito na nakabook na raw siya ng hotel. Pupunta na lang kami sa ganito, ganyan. I'm starting to question if I should let him do this again. I think this is like a decent hotel, pero wala kasi kami sa Banff Avenue. We're parang tatawid ka pa ng highway to go to the other side. Sana maayos yung mga kwarto. Nakapila pa siya for check-in. Ayan siya, oh. Nagtatanaw-tanaw. We're here in our room. In fair. Not bad. Not bad, Mr. Anatado. A very straightforward room, but I appreciate that it's renovated and it's spacious and walang amoy. Don't you hate it when you go into like a, alam mo namang maedad na yung hotel, pero merong amoy, yung amoy kulob. Cannot. You know, this could be the best thing in this room. They have a French press. I bet you this coffee is really good. Unpack with me. I have a pair of extra chinelas. And this one, I always travel with this now. Or indoor chinelas. I got these from Amazon, just really cheap ones. And this is mine. Dirty pa siya from our trip from the Philippines. Medyo magulo yung pagtapo this time kasi my makeup kit. Can you see me? I separated kasi para pag nag-unpack rin ako, this one goes to the washer and then this one goes to my closet. I brought a couple of hats because uulan. The weather isn't really nice. Of course, we have here our work bag. The laptop is here. Hinabol ko, oh my goodness. Ang dami ko nakalimutan random things like panty liner, in case. And then yung mga charger, my goodness. Buti na lang, nakita ko ito bago kami umalis sa sala. I should change my shoes na. And your shoes. Oh, I also brought a bag with me for roaming around. You know, ang cute ng aesthetic nito. It's from Acne Studios. Pero, yung problema ko, pag suot ko siya, parang nag-slouch siya na gano'n. Dito ang hirap niya isa. Cute sana siya for lake. Pero may mga ganito, lake trip to the mountains na you don't really want to carry a luxury item with you. Na pwedeng maulanan. Let's stick to the aesthetic of being gang. Oh, here, I want to show you this. This one, I travel with, guess what this is? Collapsible. Tumbler to eh. Kasi meron siyang takip, tas may straw. But guess what I use this for? This is my collapsible tabo. Kasi it's all the time, whenever I would go to like, syempre you're not in Asia. When we travel to Europe or like anywhere here in North America, parating naghahanap ako ng water bottle para gagawin kong tabo. So, finally, came up with the solution. I'm sure all of you guys have your own version of these na like, I transfer my face. Marami na ako na-try na versions, but this by far is the best for me. Walang leak, magaan, madaling i-refill, madaling simutin, makikita mo kung paubos na. And they're cheap. We always travel with Salon Pass. Ito pa yung for the longest time since the beginning of time, since I was in my teens. Ito, gamit ko na to. This is like a free pouch from Sephora. And dito ko nilalagay yung earbuds and pads. Ito pa yung kailangan kong hanapan ng bagong lalagyan. Because it's very space consuming. It's not effective. I don't know. Ewan ko ba bakit hindi ko ito pinapalitan. Ito mabigat to. Siguro mga nasa 10 pounds to. I've been using this Issey scent of familiarity. I can't use it all by itself. I need to layer it with another scent. Kasi parang too weak siya on its own. Hindi siya stand out for me. Pakita ko ba? Ayoko na. Huwag na lang. Susunod na to. Bag. Pakita ko rin na to. Laptop lang to. Laptop. Glasses. Nothing special about this. Let's just put this maybe at the bottom there. I wish I had more to show you, but I don't. We're going to the tub. Alam mo, surprisingly, bago tong hotel. Mukha siyang luma eh. Uy, ang lamig.
May nag-soak, no?
Mm.
Ganda, ha?
Wow.
Sabay ka.
Umuulan. We're going to have, steak for dinner, or for beef for dinner. We have to eat beef tonight because we've been eating pork for 1 week straight at home. So I want to have some beef and my sister. Rain, rain.
Kahit nga dun mula dun sa hotel natin, may pwede natin biking doon eh.
Come
Tapos silak mo natin mga bike dyan. Diba?
We're gonna eat here. Chuck's Steakhouse. And I'm waiting for Brent to get parking. Is in that parking lot right there. You know, ang pangit ng weather kasi look, right there, medyo sunny, and then dito, cloudy and it's raining. Tapos malamig na mainit na hindi mo maintindihan. Is this what you call maalinsangan? I think this is what people are calling maalinsangan weather. Because if this is it, I don't like it. Siyempre, nasa phone na naman siya. Yum, yum, yum. Pinahirapan ka pa. Sarap.
Mapapa-close eyes ka.
Let's try this first. Oh my god. Oh bro. Let's try the gnocchi with burrata. Is it masarap? Look at this. Oh my god.
Look at this. Oh la la.
Eat too much. Look. I'm so full, Dodong. I'm so hilo already. This one, I think, made me hilo. Am I really red now? I'm really red now. No? Very tita na ako talaga.
Asian flush.
Asian flush. Talaga ako nagkaroon ng curiosity sa drugs.
Yung alam mo lang na drugs is love. Addicted ka sa akin. Hindi naman ako gwapo. Hindi naman ako
Ay,
pera.
ikat ko na to.
Siguro katawan ko lang gusto mo.
Ay, nako. This is new. May mga water fountains na dito. I got myself a bracelet. Is it pretty? I think mukha kaming turista. Pwede akong pumasa as a tourist. These are cute. This is cute. Look at this. Look at this bathrobe. You put your drink inside like this. You put your can of beer. Oh my god, this is a sleeping bag. This is hilarious. In fairness talaga sa mga merch ng Banff, nag-i-improve naman sila. Even the magnets. Like, look. Masyado kasi ina-advocate yung mga bears yan tuloy. Nagbababaan sila sa bundok. Oh, bear na naman. O yan naman, bear na naman. Lagi, bear na naman dun. Bear na naman dun. Ano nga feeling ng mga tourists dito sa Banff? Like, we're so desensitized with all of this. Do you guys still get amazed? We have these ones too now. They're Korea. Hand warmers. We're done. Kasi ito, natatain na to eh. Ayun, may banyo dyan oh.